Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. So in this device I didn't set any screen lock. Now I will show you how to set the screen lock. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option device unlock. Then tap on the option screen lock. You can see 5 options: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. So pattern, pin and password are the secure screen lock. So to set the screen lock, you can select pattern, pin or password. So here I am going to select the option pattern. Then here we need to draw the pattern. Tap on next. Again confirm the pattern. Tap on confirm. Then this is for the lock screen settings. If you want to view the what do you want to log in the lock screen to display. So here I am going to select the third option, don't show notification at all. The third one, tap on done. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Now lock the device, try to unlock, swipe up. Now you can see they are asking for the screen lock. Then draw the pattern. It is unlocked up. So if you want to view the pattern, then again go to this device unlock. Then here you can see one settings button. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option make pattern visible. Turn off this one simply. Then lock the device. Again I am going to show you how it works. Try to open. You can see the pattern. Draw the pattern. It is unlocked. You can see the pattern is invisible. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.